Hello everyone, good morning, and I'm telling you next one poem, Geography Lesson. This is the name of the poem, and written by Zulfikar Ghosh. Zulfikar Ghosh is the poet of the poem Geography Lesson. Little bit fast, I will read this one poem, and paragraph wise, I will tell you the meaning because there's the deep feeling of deep feeling in the poem written by Zulfikar Ghosh. Can you imagine what your city would look like if you saw it from 10,000 feet above the ground? ग्राउंड से, ज़मीन से अगर आप 10,000 फीट ऊपर से इसको देखोगे दुनिया को, तो ये इसका लुक कैसा है? Neatly planned and perfect in proportion like a geometric design, it would strike you as something very different from what it actually is while you are in the thick of it. Okay, अब now when you are in the height and you are looking in the world, what is the look? Very geometrically it is well designed and whatever, we are thinking like this, and well ordered place it is on the earth we have created for us. But when we will read it, at the end there is a beautiful message by this one poet. Then paragraph wise I am telling you, stanza wise I am telling you. Okay, here is a poet's description of just such a view of the city and some questions that come to his mind. एक उसने जब वो हाइट से देख रहा है शहरों को और उसके माइंड में एक क्वेश्चन आता है, देखना. इट इज एट द लास्ट, दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग, बी विथ मी. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scale 6 inches to the mile. ये जब वो एक हाइट पे है और जेट विमान में ऊपर वो जा रहा है उड़ता हुआ और वो देख रहा है नीचे, तो वो देख रहा है कि कैसे वेल डेवलप्ड शहर उसको दिखाई दे रहा है. Seeing it scale 6 inches to the mile, ऐसे उसको नज़र आ रहा है. There seemed an inevitability. Inevitability mean the thing you cannot avoid, जिसको avoid नहीं किया जा सके. About what on ground had looked haphazard. Haphazard mean without any order, without any plan. Okay, unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. और एक you cannot avoid this one condition when you are looking on the ground from height, that there is unplanned thing without any style you will see. Okay, मीन कैसे शहरों को बसाया गया है, कैसे चीज़ें ऊपर से दिखाई दे रही हैं, तो उनका सेटअप इतना वेल प्लान्ड नहीं है. ओके, दिस इज फर्स्ट स्टेंजर. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, अब थोड़ा हाइट और हो गई, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers run and why the valleys were populated. अब जब वो और 10 feet और ऊपर चला गया, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers run. अब ये सारी चीज़ें उसको दिखाई दे रही है, और why people are going near the valleys or whatever mean beautiful views he is seeing. If you will go in depth, the logic of geography, that land and water attracted man. Okay, and then beautiful view also he can see ki why beautiful views like water, why attracted beautiful views he can see, was clearly delineated. Delineated means shown when the jet reached 10,000 feet. और वो क्लियरली ये देख पा रहा है कि क्यों people are attracted towards valley, water and this type of thing. Very beautiful views वो देख पा रहा है ऊपर से. Two stanzas are saying कि this is clear the thing why people are going towards beautiful thing, water, valleys, whatever. These things are clear. Poem is all about two things. One thing is clear, one thing is not clear. Two stanzas are clarifying कि why people are going to this type of view. Okay, and little bit disorder people have created, little bit beautiful things he can see from the height. Now last one stanza will clear the thing. Why poet wrote this one poem. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round, and that it had more sea than land. और कुछ चीज़ें क्लियर हो गई हैं इससे कि जब वो 6 माइल्स हाई जेट है उसका, तो एक चीज़ क्लियर है कि अर्थ राउंड है एंड मोर सी देन लैंड, ज़मीन से ज़्यादा पानी है, सी है, समंदर है, ये चीज़ क्लियर है. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found cause to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From the height, this thing is clear that why people have created the thing and going towards the beauty and whatever. These things are clear. And lines are saying earlier कि when the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round. कुछ चीज़ें clear है कि earth round है, and it had more sea than land. ज़मीन से ज़्यादा पानी है, समंदर है. But एक चीज़ clear नहीं है. But it was difficult to understand. लेकिन ये बहुत मुश्किल है समझना that the man on the earth found cause to hate each other. कि कैसे मैन ने खोज लिया ये चीज़, रीज़न खोज लिया to hate each other, एक दूसरे से नफरत करने का रीज़न कैसे खोज लिया, ये चीज़ समझना मुश्किल है. और ये चीज़ समझना मुश्किल है कि टू बिल्ड वॉल्स अक्रॉस सिटीज़, शहरों के बीच में जो वॉल्स क्रिएट कर दी. टू किल एंड टू किल, एक दूसरे को किल करने के लिए, एक दूसरे से कंपटीशन के लिए, नफरत के लिए उन्होंने कैसे चीज़ें क्रिएट कर दी, ये समझ पाना मुश्किल है. तो वेरी ब्यूटीफुली जुल्फ़िकार घोष पोइट इज सेइंग कि फ्रॉम हाइट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड देन अर्थ इज राउंड, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज more sea than land, but we cannot understand why people are hate each other. From where these causes are coming to hate each other, why they are building up walls between each other and killing each other. This thing you cannot understand from height. From that height it was not clear why. और from height ये clear नहीं है कि क्यों human being ऐसा करता है कि इतने ज़्यादा space है. What is the conclusion of the poem? कि इतना ज़्यादा space है, anyone can live here. Earth is very beautiful place and the only place for living for human being, but they are just hate each other. People cannot understand. And from height we can understand the beauty, we can understand the shape, we can understand the condition of land, water, but we cannot understand why people hate each other and create walls between each other and killing each other. From that height it was not clear why. और height से ये चीज़ clear नहीं होती है कि क्यों ह्यूमन बीइंग ऐसा करते हैं. I'll give you few question answers related to the poem. Thank you. God bless you.